Merry Christmas.
Wow, thank you. It's wrapped very nice. How'd you do it?
Watch the trail of how to wrap a present. Before you start wrapping, you want to make sure you have wrapping paper. I recommend for beginners the thicker one because it doesn't break as easily. And if you're more confident, you can use the thinner wrapping paper. Also, you want to make sure you have scissors and Scotch tape. So I recommend Scotch tape so it takes more easily. So yeah. Now you're ready to fold. So place your gift in the center of the wrapping paper. And first you want to start by grabbing this end and meeting it in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just meet it in the middle. And then for your roll part, you want to meet it in the middle with the wrapping paper. And you're just going to cut. Across, maybe go like 3 blocks. So see the blocks in the wrapping paper, you want to go like 3. This way. So now it's time to wrap it. You have all your dimensions ready. So now you grab this end and you fold it over. You grab this end and fold it over until they meet. Now you're going to stick your hand in, and then you're going to cut off the tape and put it on the line that we're at. And then you can add more tape so it's easier to fold on the other sides. So now you're going to fold here. So you're going to grab this piece and you're just going to fold it over. You're going to do the same thing with the other side. And you're going to lift it. That. And you're gonna keep following that. Grab your tape. Tape it where the line meets. And then you can, I know it looks better now, but you can tape it to make sure it stays. And do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, that's how you wrap a present.
Thank you. Now I know how to wrap a present.
Now you can use this for any future gifts.